What is up, guys? I am here, existing. That's how it goes most of the time. So yeah, welcome to the live stream. Obviously we're going to be doing Advent of Code. That's what I usually do. I mean, we've done it for the past 9 days. I mean, we've been live for 7 of those days. But you know, we on that grind. So let's think about what we're going to be doing today. So day 10 is usually a pretty not much of a turning point per se, but it's where stuff starts to get real. So if I mean, there's, like I said, there's probably not going to be a pattern. Good news is I'm probably not going to be brain fried as I was yesterday. I don't know why I would. I mean, I do know why I was super brain fried yesterday, but I have done it to where it's not that. Another thing I've done while I was there is I have finished the maze solving. So what I did is I packaged it up in a function in my common library, and so what you do is you load in a grid, and this one's just a pretty simple grid, like 1 is a wall and 0 is an empty space, and then it solves it. So let me show you that. It's just breadth first search. It's pretty simple. I mean, I took this code from a node library, so whatever. And here it is. I just do a bit of parsing the data, and then I give it back. And so that should be all the common things. I'm looking at my statistics. I don't know why it says my playbacks went from 0 to 2 to 0 to 2 to 3 to 2. I don't know why it keeps going back and forth between playbacks. Maybe accidentally clicking on the stream isn't considered playback, and then it only considers it like afterward, which is a bit of a shame, but whatever. So yeah, I mean, just kind of waiting. Okay, now it's gone back to, I don't know, it's weird. So there's not much I need to do to prepare. I mean, obviously I could just write my beginning function. So this is day 10, year 2021, and then I need my fetcher function, and so yep, I mean, now that I got that ready, I'm ready to go. I could do a bit of warm up, but I have done a little bit of coding, so it's not like I need that much warm up. Like I said, I did this today, and then I also am going to start doing git from the command line because it's faster, because I'm already here and I can just type 2 commands. So, yeah. So, I mean, I know what I can do in the meantime. Welcome to my gaming channel. Today we're playing Solitaire. Not the best at it, but I'm decent enough. And then good news is I could just, if I don't know what else to do, wait, that works. If I don't know what else to do, I can just click all of them and hopefully something will work. So yeah. Okay, there's no red jack. Alright, black 3, nope. Just having a fun time playing solitaire right now. Okay, red, black 7, nope. Okay, I don't have available spot. Okay, black 10. I had a black 10 before in the pile, but I don't have it right now. I don't have, so that would be part of that when I do find a black 7. Red 9, I do not have a red 9. Now I have a red 9, black 8, I have a black 8. Okay, that's another ace, but I don't have that as a 2. Okay, there's that black 7 we were looking for. Now I can put that there. Now I need a red jack for that. Let me just see if I have everything. Okay, there's a 2 for that. Do I have 3? I do have a 3. Around 4 though. Okay, so there's that black jack, or the red jack. I need a black 10. Okay. Alright, looks like we're gonna have to go to the drop pile, so a red 7, that's later on in the pile, I know that. There's the black 10 I was looking for, and then the red 9, and then the 8. Problem is, I don't need this queen right here. I need it to be in a different place. So obviously, but the problem is, like, I need this. I can't move this because, well, unless I move, I get this black 9 out of the way, which I don't have a place for. This is where I have to get rid of all these, which I don't have. Okay, red 5. No. Oh, both here, and there, and there. Okay, well, so that's opened up a king to be used. So red 5. Okay, so now I've opened up all the aces, which gives us all that. To be honest with you, I'm just going to get this king on the board and then do all these moves. Okay, well, seems like a pretty, yeah. Alright. We're officially a gaming channel because I'm playing solitaire. Let's play again. This is the fun content that everyone came to see. I believe in that. I could do a typing test to get my fingers used to it, but okay, well there's an ace, but I don't have a 2. Okay, black 9, don't have that. I don't have that. I need, wait, that did work. I don't know why. Okay. Let me try this for. Okay, that worked. So I have a king available now. Let me undo all that. So yeah. I've had moves for a while. I don't know why it took me that long to find them. Okay. Let me just confirm that I don't have any moves I've been missing. Nope. Okay. You know, it'd be funny if Day 10 was like a version of a card game, or even Solitaire itself. I'd definitely be preparing myself. Okay, well there's that, but I don't have anything else. Okay. Yeah, this one's not going to be a fun one. Okay. So I have a king, like I have a way to get a king available. But let's say, do I have one? I do. So, oh, that's the wrong king. Do I have another king? I don't. Well, that was a dumb thing to do, just go through all of that. I don't think I have anything. Well, I have a queen, but okay, 10. Yeah, this just seems like it's getting nowhere. I mean, obviously it's getting somewhere, but okay. Black 10. I do have a black 10. I know somewhere. I think, or was that? No, it's the red 10 over here. Yeah, I don't know if I have anything I could do. I guess I could just new game. Make sure I have all the moves. Wait, what? That worked. I don't know why it. I don't know. Okay, there's that. Nope. 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 Oh, yep. But did that open up any of the moves? Yes, it did. In fact, there's that. But I don't think. Yeah, I just have. Yeah. Let's look at. Let's see who's doing some advent of code. Anyone who's live? I mean, that's me, obviously. So it doesn't look like anyone's live on YouTube. Yeah. Here's advent of code from Jonathan because I watch him a lot. Needed to be strictly lower. I also didn't know that was a bug I had on the first one. And then, well, I realized I needed to add one to them, but I didn't. So, anyways, let's go to Twitch. Let's see who else is doing advent of code. Shut up. Advent of code. Yeah, no one's doing advent of code. Is these people? Wait, this looks like, what is this?
Used to help. Have how many
Neat. That's kind of neat. It's kind of neat. Maybe I can have something. Maybe I can make something like this. For like when my my stream hasn't started yet. That's the intro to my thing. Yeah, because like you need a character renderer. It's kind of neat. I'll put that on the ideas list. Let me make the ideas list. Or I mean make the ideas list. I don't have to pull it up. So let me. Here we go. So I got a couple of them. This is my current one I'm doing right now. Here's the bot from earlier. Let me put this. Let me put it here. Live stream intro animated. So yeah, I got a couple projects that I could do. I think this one is the most feasible. Because I just need to do it. Because like I can make a video that of all the days. Like I know how I would do it. I just need to do it. and then it's sort of like like the Tom Scott video where it knows how many views it has. But then, well, actually, now think about it, it has all the days. But then, how would I edit the video? I don't think I can edit the video through the API. So, I'll look into that now. But like, yeah, I got a couple of these. I mean, this one I'm obviously doing it right now. This one I've done in the past. Haven't finished it yet, but it's still on the idea. This one I've also worked on. This one I've gotten pretty close to actually doing. Well, I mean, I say I got pretty close. I've done the game. I haven't added this Jackbox to it yet. These are a couple of IRL things that I could do. So yeah, and then these are just yeah, and then these are general things. So more emulators, and then advent of code. I mean, why would I not do advent of code? I mean, if I look slightly to the right, that's mostly a yearly thing. I mean, because I can't do advent of code all the time. Because I can't. I mean, unless I go through and I finish the rest of these. Because I still got 2019 through 2016 to finish. Because I already finished these 2 years. I'm probably gonna finish this year. So yeah. So put that on the project list. So we got 10 minutes until we do the puzzle. I don't know what to do until then. So I guess I can do nothing. Well, I mean, I need to do something. I'm just trying to think of what to do. Oh, hey, look, there's someone else who's doing advent of code. I'm looking at it right now. It looks like he's working on day 9. Restream. What's restream? Are we done? I'm trying to see what... What? He's doing it in Rust. So... Yeah, but like, that's it. I'm surprised Jonathan Paulson doesn't do any of the live code. It would seem pretty good for him to do it. Shit it. Hey, okay. There's a couple people now on Twitch doing advent of code. It's kind of neat. Shut up. So he's okay, he hasn't done any of it. He's just finished day 5 and now he's doing day 6, so he's a bit behind. I mean, I don't really care. This guy's doing day 10, so he's also waiting. He has like a private leaderboard for that. He's talking. I don't know. It looks like he's doing it as part of a company. Hmm. So yeah, it just seems all pretty basic, and so here's this guy doing it again. So yeah, it's got a pretty active thing. Just gonna put this guy on the stream. I mean, we have entertainment.
Are you to the point where you can watch Chinese content with no subtitles?
I mean, we can comment on his code. So he's doing day 6.
No.
Day 6 was kind of a
in
tough
there.
one. Oop! Oh, I didn't mean to.
I'm about to be.
I didn't mean to do that. So. Oh, okay. So he is not
From
an
this angle,
English
I want
speaker.
you to
So.
know, like when you have your arms down like this, you look like Mama flew up.
To the teenagers who made fun of me.
Yeah,
at the
he's.
mall
So this
today.
is a Spanish stream. Okay, cool. I cannot understand Spanish, but like I understand his code.
Take a pic from this angle. I think it'll be funny.
Fish E.
And make sure do the wide angle, or do you need my photo?
We can do the wild.
Okay, so he's doing the naive approach. He's doing the naive approach for the first one, which is sadly not gonna work for him. Fish of I minus minus. Yep. Uh-oh. This guy's gonna have a fun time doing part 2. I can tell it already. So yeah, he's doing for 80 days and then extend.
I need to back up.
Would it be extend? I don't know Python stuff, so I don't know what extend.
I think wide angle might.
Is that what push is for Python? I mean, honestly, it's gonna work for day 1 or part 1. I mean, so print day 6. What was the answer for day 6? Did you have to add them all up? I forgot what he did. Like what it is. Yeah, okay. Oh, how many fish there were. Okay.
Can we get another?
Lantern fishes. After 80 days.
He's actually putting out his a full like sentence. Run the code. 352. Okay, that sounds about right for how many lantern fish there are.
I think I need to stop. I think I'm gonna eat too much.
There you go, man. Congrats. Okay, so he did part 1, and now let's see. He's gonna do part 2, which isn't gonna work out with his code. I don't understand what he's saying, but he may. Okay, is he going to do part 2? Lantern fish. Forever pie. Forever.
It's just bad. I think you put a dairy food.
Okay.
So fade it up back there.
Done as blah blah blah. Yep. Oh, yep. He did it. He did it. He did the thing. He did the thing. He did the thing I did. He did the thing I did. He did the thing I did. It does is.
That's for image.
He ran. His would say he ran part 1. If only I knew what he just said there. Oh, he probably. Yep. Yep. He knew that. He knew immediately that it wasn't that solution. Nice Areno. Yes. L stream.
The second one.
I don't know what that means.
I need to like pull that.
I know it's not enough. I know how to read some Spanish, but not enough. Just put Google Translate on his. That was super southern. Wow. Certain Spanish. Where's Spanish? F. Spanish to English. I'm just gonna do the entire thing because like if the stream dies, we already know why. Okay. Well, anyways, sorry man, but it's time to do admin of code in 30 seconds, so I cannot watch you anymore. So, get my fetcher up. It looks like we are about to go. I probably should, now that I think about it, I probably should put the mic towards my mouth instead of having it towards wherever it was facing. I don't. Also, please excuse background noise. I live in college. So, you do what you do. Okay, 10 seconds, boys. Alright. Oh, yeah, I gotta start recording. Okay, we are recording. It's about to start. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So, syntax, all of them. Okay, so are we supposed to figure out?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're supposed to find illegal things. Fun times. So, it looks like I got it. Okay, I see what it is. Some lines are incomplete or corrupted. So what are corrupted? Where a chunk closes with the wrong character. Well, how many is incorrect? Okay, so we are supposed to look for corrupted lines first. So obviously we need to split the lines and then lines dot for each element. So now that we have that, so we are supposed to find, so when it closes, so let current, I know what I need to put for this to work in the second part, but I'm gonna do this for the first. You know what? No, I'm gonna do it so I can get a good time on the second part. So let.
But I'll break everything and Alex.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
So anyways, and so we need to go through the element. So
you must delete
if
all of this.
element of I is equal to, well, I mean, it's any of which characters. There we go.
The least likable individual ever.
I need to do dot match then. Dot match. Is it matches? I don't know. So, and then it needs to be that and that. So get rid of those and then excuse them. So okay. So if it matches that, then current is equal to element of I. Else that means it's a closing. And then if element of I is equal to well, let me put so if element of I is equal to this one and current of, well, current is not equal to that means it's an illegal character, and we need to add okay, what? So it's a legal term container. Okay. I need a stack. Let character stack equal that. For let I equal 0, I is less than element. I didn't need to go through all of that, but if I need a let opening is equal to the what were they again? So that should be it, and then we need closing, so let closing and so that should help me just with that. So if element of I dot matches opening, then character stack dot push element I. So okay, I'm just going to see if all of them start. Yeah, all of them start with 1, so I don't have to worry about an illegal character being the first one. And then if element of I dot matches the closing one, that means that we need to check the last character stack. So let last equals character stack dot pop if it doesn't match. So if let pairs is so I need that, the pairs that, I need that, the pair is that. I don't need comma there, I need a colon. Curly bracket, end curly bracket, and then this character, that character. So that should give that. So if pairs of last is not equal to element of I, and then so give it the numbers. So 3. And it says we need to stop on the first one, so square bracket. I'm assuming there's a reason why it's these numbers, because like these seem like arbitrarily random numbers to put there, but we'll see when we get to the next part, obviously. 25137. So yep, and then I need a sum value, so let sum equal 0, and then return sum, obviously. Good news is once we find the sum plus equals values of element of I, and then we should be able just to return, like we don't even need to be in this function anymore. So just to see if this worked for the above example. Well, now that I think about it, so it's not going to be perfect because I have to get rid of the incorrect lines, but how do I know which one's incorrect?
Check. Can you give him about back?
Okay, so then so this one, it says it's incomplete. So I see why. It's because it doesn't end. It doesn't have this. Like it has this,
Can you pass him a backpack?
and then it has like all the complete ones. Well, actually no.
Drop it. My computer's in there.
And so there, there.
Okay, thank you. Get back to your calculus, bitch.
And then good day. Closing. Oh, okay, I see. So the incompletes are the ones that have still character stacks in them. Well, that shouldn't matter. So if it gets to this point... Okay, actually it shouldn't matter then. Oh, match is not a function. Okay, is it match? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, and then part 2. So, incomplete lines don't have any incorrect. They're just missing some characters. You need to figure out that complete all open chunks. Okay. Got it. So the last would be start with the total score, multiply the total score by 5. Okay. Okay. Like I said, this is what I knew what I needed to get a better part 2, and this is what it is. It was the character stack. So the incomplete lines. So now we don't need this value anymore. We don't need sum, and we don't. We need to change these to 1, 2, 3, 4. So good news is now if we get to this, it should just be incomplete lines. So let me see. So we have to go backwards. So I is equal to character stack dot length minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0, and then I minus minus. And then, so then, now that we're going through it backwards, we need to get the value. We also need to have I'm just going to say score. Do I need to add up all the scores? What is the middle score? Sorting all of them and taking the middle score that we always... Okay, so we need to find... So scores is equal to an array. Let's score equals 0. And then score is equal to... Do we multiply by 5 first? We multiply by 5 first for some reason. Score times equals 5. Score plus equals character, so pairs of character stack of I. And then we need to put that in the scores. So scores. In fact, we don't even need this second variable. We just need values of the character stack, because we don't need to reverse it. And so this should give us the score, and then we can push. So scores dot push scores or score, and then we need to return the middle one. So scores of score dot length divided by 2. Pairs is not defined. Oh, I guess I need it. Well, I don't want to remove all that code. So let pairs equal. What am I doing? I don't want to type that all again. I'm just going to boom. Undefined. Cool. Let me just see scores. Yes, but see, there is scores.
Huh?
Scores. Wait, it says it's always odd. Okay, it is always odd. Oh, what am I doing? Math.floor. Not the right answer. The middle one. Well, what is that? So it'd be 50. It'd be, so if it'd be the 53rd element, it would be. Well, let me see if it works with this answer. So it'd be 5 of them. Ah. So yeah. It needs to be -1. What am I doing? I have to sort it. Sort. And then I forgot to sort it. And it'd be. Oh, that's not right.
What? I have like a jabillion.
Wait a minute. So maybe I'm not even. Maybe this isn't even right. How my scoring method isn't even right.
I need to go by Walmart. Do some more mouse.
Okay.
Well, you share some with me when
What?
I run out.
Oh,
I'm gonna just
okay,
give
it's
you
not
some.
sorting. Like, that's not right. Sort A, B, return A minus B.
Yeah, this will tide you over.
Okay, there we go. That was
Put it in your
weird.
bag.
Okay.
And my head hit the floor. Bam!
And then
15 milligrams of melatonin.
okay. That was weird. I don't know why. There we go. So I'm done. Wasn't that simple? I even called like me knowing
Yeah, and
that the naive solution I was going to do wasn't going to work, because that's just how Advent of Code always works. It's because they always like, okay, well you can do this solution, but then it may not work for the second solution, so you gotta somehow think far ahead. So yeah, I mean, I'm done, so I can stop the recording at least. Stop recording. So yeah, I can see. I'm assuming this was an easy day. Yeah, 3 minutes to get the top one, 8 minutes for the yeah, it should be easy. Easy for that, and then it took me 9 minutes and 14 minutes. Did I get a gold split? No. Yeah, I didn't get a gold split. Anyway, that doesn't matter. So yeah, that was it. That was Advent of Code. It was pretty simple. So I can show you what I mean at the beginning of the stream by using git. So now I can just say git commit all. Well, actually, I'm not done because I have to run this this command, which will give me it'll basically help me afterwards, like keeping track of it. And then I can run the git commands because now I have everything I need. So yeah, thank you, Isabella. So just run git commit all. I need to. So this is day 10, 2021, and then close it out, and then git push. And that's it. And so day 10's done. I'm probably just gonna end the stream right here because that's all I was gonna do. Take care, have fun. Woo!